We've made it. Oh my goodness. What is happening? There's lots of things going on with my headband at the moment. I can't even see. I look bald. It's great. Good luck for me. Bald. Alright, here's the deal, guys. It's only 4 or 5 days until we move everything up to Maine, and I feel atrocious. I'm really hoping it's just my allergies just getting even worse, which is a nightmare because they're already terrible. Or we have some sort of cold. So it might be a slow moving day today. I am not feeling like lifting anything. So probably just more organizing today. I'm gonna try to do some yoga and just like mindful thinking away. I have some apples and cinnamon and ginger and coconut sugar simmering on the stove. We're just gonna eat applesauce all day today and hopefully get our energy back. Alright guys, so like you know, I didn't feel that great waking up. I did do about an hour of just lightweight yoga, and then I took a shower, and I'm thinking I will go downtown today, just do a few things that I won't be able to do once I move. I do have a package to drop off at UPS. There's a store about a mile up the hill from my apartment, so I'm going to just walk up there and drop that off, and then hopefully catch the bus and the train down city. I haven't taken the bus or the train since quite a while before the pandemic hit, so we'll see. I have my mask and we'll see how it goes. This is the fit for the day. Camo dress, faux leather coat, faux leather boots, high socks. We're doing it. I did do my makeup in an attempt to feel better, and we put on a little self-tanner. You know, you gotta, some days you just have to do self-care to make yourself feel better. Also, my backpack is full of tissues. Does anyone else have this weird OCD about their socks having to be exactly the same height? Because I do. Package has been returned, and we can continue on our adventures. Right, the bus and the train were a hoot, like always, but I am starving, so we might need to find something to drink, something to eat right up in here quick. I'm not sure. There's definitely a Starbucks on every corner, so we could hop in there for a coffee, but let's see. I wouldn't mind hitting up Mike's pastry, so not Mike's, Modern. Ooh, we almost slipped up there. I'm guessing out of the 4 people that watch my videos are all from Maine and have no idea what Primark is. Get on that, guys. Get down here. So guys, we're down at what I would have to say is probably what people think is the quintessential area of what they think Boston is when they come here. And if you can't see it, which I imagine you can, 6 months into a global pandemic, and there is barely anyone here. It is really something to see, or not to see, I guess. It's very strange and very quiet. My gosh, you guys, we finally did it. I don't think you know how long I have been waiting to have a cannoli from Modern. Years. I'm not sure. Oh my god. Check it out, yo. We went chocolate dipped, traditional ricotta filling, but I had to have the chocolate chips. I had to do that. I'm not from Boston, so I don't think I get a say on Mike's versus Modern, but we're gonna find out. Oh my god. It's so good. I don't think I can even explain it to you. Oh my god. No wonder there's always a huge line. Better than Mike's? Yes. Hands down. Definitely. Oh my god, I don't think I can eat this whole. This is like the first thing I've eaten today besides applesauce, so we're just going right in for it. If I do nothing else, before I moved to Maine, this was worth it. Things are definitely different around here, wouldn't you say? Yeah. All right, so we made it about 4 steps down the road from Modern, and I originally was like, oh yeah, I'll eat like half of this, I'll bring the rest home, I'll have it in a little while. Obviously you can't wait too long because once cannoli's set, then it's just absolutely destroyed. That's why they fill them right there. But I made it about 3 steps down the road, and I have decided we have to sit and eat the rest because why not? I found a friend, we're chilling, and we're gonna eat the rest of our cannoli. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we've had a new problem. I was walking down the street and the bottom of my backpack like fell out. This is when I just sat. Oh my god. Thank goodness I had a string from the box from the pastry store because I am now using that to hold my bag together. Check it out. Can you see this? She's a DIY queen, but only to get home, or everything is just going to fall out. You ever feel like you get your styles from a 90s MTV cartoon? Yeah, me too. If any of you out there didn't get that, please go watch Daria right now. We're back. I'm going to get a very large glass of wine and continue cleaning.